Okay, customer test video for Jerry. This is a 1.4, lightly used. Customer had it very short period of time. Ended up switching radios, going with a high output radio, so they didn't need a low drive amp. This is a low drive amp. Standard 2879s in it on the output, and I believe it has a 454 driver in it, so a single 454. It will take more drive than what I'm putting into it here. The 454 seems to take a little bit more drive. We're only going to hit it with about 9-10 watts average and about 35 PEP with the Uniden here. So Jerry, this is your 1.4. There's a look at it there. Nice running amp. We're going to expect around 800 watts PEP out of it, give or take. Probably will do a little bit more if you hit it with a little bit harder radio than the little Uniden here, but that's the ballpark we're going to be in. So come over here to our power supply, show you the voltage that we're at. We'll go ahead and go just below 15. There we go. We want to play by our own rules here and go below 15. So it'll probably drop down just a little bit on the key. But at 14.9 there, we've got the variable wide open on it here. And we'll show you how much current that it's drawing. Hello, audio, 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 audio. So about 60 amps, give or take. Let you know that this thing's not doing the most it can do, because it actually probably draw about 65 or so if you hit it with a little bit harder radio. But about 60 amps there. And we'll come over here to the bird. We've got it in peak right now, real bird peak kit. So we're looking at the 1000 watt slug bottom scale. And we'll just key in and give it an audio here. Radio check, audio, 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 radio, 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 audio, 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 radio, radio, radio. Right at 800 watts PEP. And then average power, again, looking at the bottom scale, this is just RMS or average. About 340 or 350. So should be a nice running amp. I actually thought about keeping this one myself because it would make a good driver for something I've got, but anyway, we put it up on the market for sale, and Jerry decided to take it. So let's show you guys what it does with the variable turned down, see if it makes a difference. Audio, 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 audio. Yeah, 600 watts at halfway. 9 o'clock, check, 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 about 580, all the way down, check, 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 about the same. So we'll cut down to about 600 watts all the way down, and then wide open right there around 800 watts. Now, if you did want this thing to do more power without putting a different radio into it, you could bypass the variable, and it will come up. Anytime you have a variable in an amp, you're going to see a little bit less output. So, you know, bypass this, who knows, it's liable to jump up to 850 watts with the same radio. Or you can hit it a little bit harder, you know, if you're wanting to see a specific number out of it. But 340, 350 average, 800 PEP, that's kind of cruising it, and it should last a good while like that. All right, appreciate it, guys. 1.4. Questions, comments, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.